Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well and I hope that life is treating you okay. This feels kind of like a throwback at this point. I haven't filmed sat here in weeks. I've done a lot of kind of vloggy style videos. Obviously What to Wear Wednesdays filmed downstairs, and this room is now mine and Tim's office, so I don't have it all the time. So it feels quite nice to be in my usual little setup. I'm gonna do a thrift haul today, a vintage clothing haul, and I am so excited to show you guys some things that I recently picked up which are secondhand. This is something that I've been wanting to do for so long on my channel, and something that I feel like my body needs a bit of highlighter. See, never neglect your body glow, guys. It makes such a difference. What was I saying? So this is something I've been wanting to incorporate onto my channel for ages, and something, sorry, I'm taking off my slippers. I just can't get comfy. I'm struggling to get comfortable. So I've been wanting to make my wardrobe and my shopping choices more sustainable for a long time. And this isn't me saying I'm 100% going sustainable, I'm boycotting this brand, that brand, but I am trying to shop less and make more conscious purchasing choices. Hence why I've not really done many hauls recently, and I've been doing What to Wear Wednesday to try and keep the fashion content going without purchasing loads of new things. But obviously, I love shopping. I love new clothes. I love being re-inspired by my own wardrobe, and a more sustainable way of doing that is vintage shopping and thrifting and shopping sustainable brands. So something that I'd like to start doing is maybe exploring more sustainable brands. I have one order placed already from a sustainable brand that I'm excited to do a whole haul on, which will be coming in the next few weeks. And kind of just testing out brands, like sustainable brands, and sharing my opinions with you guys. So if that's something that interests you, then let me know. But today I've got a Beyond Retro haul, which is one of my favorite vintage shops. They do have an online store. They do have stores around London, but unfortunately I'm not able to get there right now. So I did do an online order. I'm going to show you a few pieces now. And yeah, let me know if this is something that interests you. I feel like I'm really trying to make moves. I am trying to make some changes, and I hope you appreciate that. So anyway, grab yourself a cup of tea in your hot beverage of choice mug. I'm apparently not using my own mug when I'm promoting my own mug. That's great. And let's get on with the haul. Okay, so the first item is adorable and an absolute Emma classic, I won't lie to you. It is this adorable Looney Tunes sweatshirt. You know, like, I am the queen of sweatshirts. I wear sweatshirts every single day, and the more garish the better in a lot of cases for me. I love a graphic sweatshirt, and you guys always ask me about my Scooby-Doo sweatshirt. That was also from Beyond Retro, so who knows, this may be from a similar kind of supplier. But it's this gorgeous forest green, my favorite color, and it's got little Tweety Pie. And is it Sylvester the cat? I think it's Sylvester. I am just so obsessed with it. I think it's adorable. Once you wash that vintage smell out, you are good to go. So yeah, love that. Here is Looney Tunes. I mean, it's obviously adorable. I love how high neck it is as well. It is also so nice and baggy, and it's really soft and it's comfortable, and also it's just cute, right? The next items I picked out were actually a set of 3 scarves. You guys ask about my headscarf quite a lot. It's like navy blue. I can't actually remember where I got that one from, but if you are looking for ones that are similar and a similar size, then Beyond Retro have loads and loads of design. So I picked up a set of 3. I've got one here which has places in Italy. Oh, Rome. No, I haven't shaved my armpits, do I care? No. I picked out this one which has Rome and landmarks from Rome in it, and I love this gorgeous kind of olivey sage green. Stunning. This other one has these kind of, how would you describe this? It's kind of a bit William Morris-esque, with this lovely kind of peachy base and then this bright purple. I love the color combination of that one. And then a slightly more, I've already worn this one, as you can see, it's tied up. Maybe I'll show you. Whack it on my head. If your hair's like in a bun and you just have this tied around it, I just think it's really nice. And this is obviously monochromatic, so goes with any outfit. Obviously this looks weird. So if you guys are looking for some really pretty headscarves, definitely check out Beyond Retro, they have loads. Okay, next I picked up a pair of Levi jeans. I believe that these are 501s. They're just a mid-washed, high-waisted denim. I love buying jeans secondhand because they've already got a bit of wear. They're a little bit softer, they aren't quite as rigid, and I just think that they look cooler. They're a little bit more worn and a little bit like rough and ready, and I appreciate that in a jean. It's got the brown label on the back, which I obviously love, the little Levi red tag there, and they are just a straight leg mid-wash denim blue jean. I think they're great, and I really hope that they fit because I haven't tried them on yet. Unfortunately, I don't think these jeans are gonna stay. I like them, but they're a bit loose around the waist, but they're very loose on the back. I have this like back gaping issue. I like these jeans, and obviously if you can go and try things on in the store, it's obviously so much easier than trying to shop online. Yeah, that's a shame. I do like the cut, I love the shade of blue, but yeah, they're just a bit big. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think this haul may be a little bit repetitive because I bought basically the same thing in like 4 different colors. I wanted to get some new turtlenecked cropped jumpers. I love a turtleneck. I just love wearing loads of chunky jewelry, a turtleneck and a pair of jeans. It's just such an easy look. It's kind of like grandma chic. I basically bought the same thing in multiple colors. So the first one is this really interesting like pastel, it's like a pastel lime green, borderline yellow. It's just a very interesting color. A little roll neck, and it is cropped. And it's actually got an almost kind of fitted loop at the bottom, so it fits quite tight to you. It's not like baggy, and it is ribbed, and it's super duper soft, really 70s, and I wore it with jeans and my brown suede jacket the other day, and I look like I'd hopped out of the 70s. It was hilarious. I really like it with the hair. I just think it's a cool little vibe. I just love this colour. I've not got anything in this colour. It's such like an interesting shade of, is this green? Or is it yellow? I honestly can't tell. Green or yellow? I think it's green. Oh, hello. It's a pastel green with quite a lot of yellow in it. As you can see, they are just such a lovely fit. They are the right amount of cropped to just fit above my jeans. It means there's no bunching, no need to tuck. They're just the best. So you're gonna see a few of these. Oh look, another turtleneck. This one's slightly different. I don't have any royal blue. I really like this color. I think, again, with really light blonde, I think a bright blue is super fun. I've never been a blue person. I don't know, this hair, it's changed me. I'm a changed woman. I really like it. Again, really soft, a little bit thinner than the kind of green yellow one. Maybe tucked into like a little mini skirt. I know what I want to style this with. You will see it when I try it on right now. You'll see. Okay, here is the next one. Here is the blue turtleneck. Just trying to desperately make this slightly more interesting for you. Teamed it with this little mini skirt, but I really like this shade of blue. Obviously it's quite wrinkly right now, but I love the colour. It's really soft and it kind of fits me like a glove. This is a good find. I'm happy. I really like this blue. I need to wear more blue. Note to self, wear more blue. I'm just gonna get through all these jumpers, okay? Because you'll be bored otherwise. This is basically the same as the first one, the yellow one, but this is in a lovely periwinkle blue. It's a really lovely shade of blue. Again, it's nice and cropped. I think this is a great spring color when it's still kind of cold in the evenings, but you want to wear like a summery color. Oh, I love this color. Very pleased with this one. So here's the periwinkle blue one, which I like because it's the perfect length for me to tuck into trousers. So that's it. That's how cropped it is, and that's where a high-waisted trouser is. So you're not getting any like bulging, which I like. And I just like the colour. And I love to wear these underneath baggy t-shirts, like in the winter. So you can still get use out of your t-shirts, but you know, you layer them up. Nice colour, win. Let's take a break from jumpers. Go on to something much more fun that I'm completely obsessed with. I get asked about my baggy t-shirts all the time. People are always like, where did you get that t-shirt? Where did you get that t-shirt? And they usually, if they're kind of unique looking, they're usually from Beyond Retro because they're usually vintage. I saw this one and I had to have it. This incredible tie-dye t-shirt, obviously rainbow tie-dye, and it has got an old VW camper van on it, which is my dream vehicle of choice, to be honest with you. Super duper oversized. It will probably be a pajama top for me, but also I will probably wear this out. It's amazing. I love it. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm not wearing anything underneath this because honestly, if we're honest with ourselves, this is probably how I'm gonna wear this. Look at this t-shirt. How amazing is this? It's just the best. My dream sleep t-shirt. I love the colors. It's soft. It's like, it is literally like a t-shirt dress. It's a bit short at the front, so if I wore it out like this, I'd wear shorts underneath, but like it's even longer at the back. It's like it was made for me. It's like it was made for me. Yes, sirree. This next item is quite different and it's actually far too big for me, but I'm gonna make it work. It is this adorable little playsuit. How sweet is this? It's kind of like two different types of linen. It's this really soft, maybe this is more of a cotton and then this is a linen, kind of cut in half, baggy shorts that almost look like a skirt. It's got belt loops, which is awesome because I will wear this with the belt because I got it, I think it's like a size 14 or something. It is so adorable. I just think this is the perfect summer holiday little throw on outfit. It's got long shorts so you're not gonna get chub rub, which is something I think about all the time. I'm really excited to style it up, and I also think it would look cute with like a turtleneck, believe it or not, underneath. Do you think? I think that could be quite cool. We shall see. I love this. I love this so much. With a belt, it will probably be like a much more flattering, like that, if that's the kind of vibe you're going for, but I like it kind of baggy. I love how oversized it is, and I love how it's like a weird like length. It kind of looks like a dress, but it's shorts. I think this is so cute. But yeah, I definitely will also wear it with a belt. But what do you think? Summer chic, eh? Like I said, I'm the queen of the sweatshirts, and I saw this Champion sweatshirt. It's just a cropped orange sweatshirt, little Champion logo on it. It's got a little crew neck, it's cropped but oversized. I like this shade of orange. It's like a burnt orange. The inside, you can tell it's pretty well loved. The inside is no longer fluffy. It's very much like balling up at this point. But I don't mind that. And in my eyes, I can never have too many oversized sweatshirts. Here is my baggy orange sweatshirt. This is just a classic for me, right? Like this is such a me uniform. Just a big baggy sweatshirt, but I like the croppedness of it. Excuse my power stance. I like that it's almost a bit of a boat neck, like it's high but comes quite long, which I quite like. I like my jumpers to come high so that my necklaces stay on top. I hate when my necklaces go underneath my jumpers. That really annoys me. It's a good amount of cropped at the back. I like the boxy shape. I love the colour. So yeah, steal. All right, this next piece is actually quite a find that I'm so thrilled with. You may have noticed if you watch my vlogs or if you follow me on Instagram that I'm really into light trousers, like white trousers, cream trousers, just a light coloured trouser at the moment. And when I saw these, I had to snap them up. I found these vintage Ralph Lauren trousers, kind of kick flared suit trousers. They've got a super flattering back pocket, double buttoned, and they are so thick and feel like such great quality. I think these are such a great find, and I'm really excited to style these up. So yeah, these are them on. How are we feeling about these trousers? The only thing I'd say is they're giving me a little bit of like, you know, like VPL on the front, and also the pockets are making my hips look like they go like that rather than like They just stick out. They're making me look a funny shape. But I do still like them. They're like very retro. They got pockets. I do really like them. I think with a pair of boots, I think these are a really good find. And they're very comfortable and they fit me really well. No, I'd say they fit me like a glove actually. So that's the thing, like you can find some really great brands in vintage stores. I know that you guys probably already know this, but for those of you who are constantly shopping on fast fashion websites like I was, maybe just have a browse. Like sometimes you just have to sift through and sometimes you just gotta sift through and you will find some gems, I promise. Finally, let's finish on a bang, shall we? We have a red turtleneck. Same shape, love turtlenecks. And we're coming into autumn winter and they were so inexpensive. This haul, all of these clothes cost me like £120 or something for so many outfits, so many items. So yeah. Another turtleneck. I really just don't have anything to say about this. I love this colour. I love the shape, obviously, because I bought the same thing in loads of different colours. Yeah, I'm not wearing a very good bra. My boobs are literally around my waist, but anyway. Yeah, I just like how you don't even have to tuck them in because they're cropped. They sit right on my waist. I just love this colour. Yeah, that's it. It was short and sweet and I hope you enjoyed. I would definitely like to do some sustainable brand hauls on my channel soon, so if you guys have any recommendations of shops and stores that you love, or if there are any vintage stores or any thrift stores that you really like, please comment them down below. I'd love to check them out, try and spread the word a little bit. Every little helps. I'm not claiming to be perfect because we all know I'm not, and I'm not striving for perfection. I just want to start making little changes and doing my part here and there to try and be a little bit more sustainable and try and shrink my enormous carbon footprint. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what pieces you liked in there. Obviously, I can't link them because they're one-offs, but I hope they inspired maybe some purchases or maybe inspired you to go and check out Beyond Retro. I think there's definitely going to be more where that came from because I really like shopping on thrift stores and things like that because it's more fun. It's like a hunt. It's like a treasure hunt and you want to find like the needle in the haystack, and it's got a little bit more to it, and I love the idea of them being pre-loved as well. And of course it's better for the environment. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Sunday for the weekly vlog. Bye!